Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Date 20th July 2021. Day Tuesday. Unwavering, adjective, steady. Synonyms: fixed, resolute. Antonyms: wavering. Example sentence: she fixed him with an unwavering stare. Hospitality, noun, friendliness. Synonyms: welcome, helpfulness. Antonyms: unfriendliness. Example sentence. Example sentence: Scotland is a country which is renowned for its hospitality. Scourge, noun, affliction. Synonyms: bane, curse. Antonyms: blessing. Example sentence: mass unemployment is a scourge for the society. Coherence, noun, consistency. Synonyms: soundness, organization. Antonyms: incoherence. Example sentence: many questions weren't further raised on the coherence of state policy. Toxic, adjective, unpleasant. Synonyms: very bad, harmful. Antonyms: pleasant. Example sentence: she had been in a toxic relationship. Executive, adjective, administrative. Synonyms: decision making, directorial. Antonyms: subordinate. Example sentence: all the ministers are members of the Executive Council. Tentative, adjective, provisional. Synonyms: unconfirmed, unsettled. Antonyms: definite. Example sentence: we reached to a tentative conclusion only. Vulnerable, adjective, at risk. Synonyms: endangered, unsafe. Synonyms: endangered. Antonyms: invulnerable. Example sentence: we were in a vulnerable position. Progressive, adjective, modern. Synonyms: liberal, advanced. Antonyms: conservative. Example sentence: the censors, being elected on a general ticket, were always very progressive. Bonhomie, noun, geniality. Synonyms: conviviality, affability. Antonyms: coldness. Example sentence. Example sentence: he exuded good humor and bonhomie. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.